Hello?
Hi, welcome to the refill bar. Can I help you?
Yes, I want refill my hand soap bottle.
You want to refill your hand soap bottle?
No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
What kind of soap you have?
We have lavender, lemon, and unscented hand soap.
Is it good for sensitive skin?
Yes, all our soaps are gentle and natural.
How much does it cost?
It is $3 for one bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the digital help table. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new laptop.
You want to set up your new laptop?
No problem. Do you have it with you?
Yes, but I not set up laptop before.
You have not set up a laptop before?
That's okay. First, open the laptop and press the power button.
I press this button?
Yes, that's right. Now, wait for the screen to turn on.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now, choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi.
I not know my Wi-Fi password.
You don't know your Wi-Fi password? Maybe it is on your router at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use my new laptop.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your laptop and come back if you need more help.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the art project. Can I help you?
Yes, I want paint a mural.
You want to paint a mural?
That's wonderful. Have you painted a mural before?
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before? No problem. We help beginners. What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I choose my own design?
Yes, you can choose your own design, but please keep it friendly for everyone.
How long I can paint?
You can paint for 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the art project.
That's wonderful. Your art will make the city beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the smoothie stand. Can I help you?
Yes, I want a smoothie. Can I add protein powder?
You want to add protein powder?
Yes. We have protein powder here.
I not add protein before.
You have not added protein before?
No problem. It is good for health.
What flavor protein you have?
We have vanilla and chocolate.
I want chocolate, please.
Great. What fruits do you want in your smoothie?
Banana and strawberry, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a healthy smoothie.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your drink.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the info booth. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about a weekend pass.
You want to know about a weekend pass?
Yes, do we have special passes for weekends?
I not buy weekend pass before.
You have not bought a weekend pass before?
No problem. It is easy to get.
How much does it cost?
It is $8 for unlimited rides on Saturday and Sunday.
Can I use it on bus and train?
Yes, you can use it on all buses and trains.
Where I can buy it?
You can buy it here or at any ticket machine.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to travel on weekend.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your trips.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rainwater tank. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to use rainwater for watering flowers.
You want to use rainwater for watering flowers?
That's great. Rainwater is very good for plants.
I not use rainwater before.
You have not used rainwater before?
No problem. It is easy.
How I get the water?
Just open the tap and fill your watering can.
Do I need to filter the water?
No, the rainwater here is already clean.
How much water I can take?
Take as much as you need, but please don't waste.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the flowers.
That's wonderful. The flowers will grow strong.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the sewing class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make a pillow cover.
You want to make a pillow cover.
That's great. Have you sewn before?
I not sew before.
You have not sewn before? No problem. We help beginners. What I need to bring?
Just bring some fabric. We have needles and thread here.
How long it take to make?
It takes about 1 hour.
Is it hard?
No, it is easy if you go slow and follow the steps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try sewing.
That's wonderful. You will make a beautiful pillow cover.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the language picnic. Can I help you?
Yes, I want practice English with a partner.
You want to practice English with a partner?
That's great. Many people are here to practice.
I not practice with partner before.
You have not practiced with a partner before?
No problem. Everyone is friendly.
How I find a partner?
Just say hello to someone and ask if they want to practice.
What we talk about?
You can talk about food, hobbies, or your day.
I am a little shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy at first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I see a poster for free dance class.
You see a poster for a free dance class?
Yes, we have one every Friday.
I not danced before.
You have not danced before?
No problem. The class is for beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring comfortable shoes and water.
Do I need to sign up?
No, you can just come and join.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try dancing.
That's wonderful. Dancing is fun and good for you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the board game cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn a new card game.
You want to learn a new card game?
That's great. We have many card games here.
I not play card games before.
You have not played card games before?
No problem. I can teach you an easy one.
What is the name of the game?
This one is called Uno. It's fun and simple.
How many people can play?
2 to 6 people can play together.
Do I need to buy cards?
No, we have cards here for everyone.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a new game.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the 3D printing lab. Can I help you?
Yes, I want print a keychain.
You want to print a keychain?
That's great. Do you have a design?
I not have design. I just want simple keychain.
You don't have a design? No problem. We have some simple designs on the computer.
How I choose a design?
How do I choose a design?
You can look at these pictures and pick one.
How long it take to print?
It takes about 20 minutes to print a small keychain.
How much it costs?
It costs $2 for one keychain.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try 3D printing.
That's wonderful. Your keychain will be ready soon.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the digital art class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want learn to use a drawing tablet.
You want to learn to use a drawing tablet.
That's great. Have you used one before?
I not used tablet before.
You have not used a tablet before.
No problem. I can show you.
Is it hard to draw on tablet?
No, it is easy after some practice.
What I need to start?
Just bring yourself. We have tablets and pens here.
Can I save my drawing?
Yes, you can save your drawing on the computer.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try digital art.
That's wonderful. You will make great art.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the rooftop breakfast. Can I help you?
Yes, I want coffee with oat milk.
You want coffee with oat milk?
Yes, we have oat milk here.
I not try oat milk before.
You have not tried oat milk before?
It's very tasty and healthy.
Is it sweet?
It is a little sweet, but not too much.
Can I have sugar too?
Yes, you can add sugar if you like.
How much is 1 cup?
1 cup is $2.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your coffee and the view.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the community compost bin. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can compost orange peels.
You want to know if you can compost orange peels?
Yes, you can put them in the bin.
I not compost orange peels before.
You have not composted orange peels before?
No problem, they break down well.
Do I need to cut them small?
Yes, it is better to cut them into small pieces.
Will they make the compost smell bad?
No, if you mix them with other food scraps, it is fine.
How long they take to compost?
They take a few months to break down.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the environment.
That's wonderful. Composting is good for the earth.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the eco-friendly laundry. Can I help you?
Yes, I want use natural detergent.
You want to use natural detergent?
Yes, we have it here.
I not used natural detergent before.
You have not used natural detergent before?
No problem. It is safe for clothes and skin.
What is it made from?
It is made from plants and has no chemicals.
Is it good for washing all clothes?
Yes, it is good for all types of clothes.
How much I need to use?
Just 1 small cup for each wash.
How much does it cost?
It is $3 for 1 bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy clean and green laundry.
Hello?
Hi, are you here for the book exchange?
Yes, I want leave my favorite book.
You want to leave your favorite book?
That's wonderful. Many people will enjoy it.
I not leave book here before.
You have not left a book here before?
No problem. Just put it on the shelf.
Do I need write my name inside?
You don't need to, but you can write a note if you want.
Can I take a new book too?
Yes, you can take any book you like.
How long I can keep the book?
Please bring it back in 2 weeks.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to share my book.
That's wonderful. Sharing books helps everyone read more.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Science Club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the robot project.
You want to join the robot project?
You want to join the robot project?
I not build robot before.
You have not built a robot before?
No problem. We teach beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your ideas and excitement. We have tools here.
When do you meet?
We meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m.
How many people in the group?
There are 8 people in the group now.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful.